The FLASHFORGE Creator 5 is a groundbreaking FDM 3D printer designed for multicolor and multi-material projects. It features 4 independent toolheads to boost efficiency and reduce filament waste, aiming for high-speed performance and precise output. Check the link in the description for the best price. How well does the Creator 5 perform in everyday 3D printing tasks? The independent toolheads eliminate slow purge cycles and filament changes, significantly boosting efficiency for multicolor models. Separate toolheads for different materials reduce the risk of cross-contamination, ensuring cleaner and more reliable multi-material prints. Automatic leveling and calibration features greatly simplify the setup process, allowing users to start printing faster and with less hassle. The high-speed CoreXY system provides fast printing, making it a productive machine even when you are not utilizing its multicolor capabilities. The Creator 5 truly shines in practical printing scenarios, especially when you need multiple colors or materials in a single print. Does the advanced technology of the Creator 5 deliver compelling value for its price? Its independent toolheads significantly reduce filament waste from purging, offering considerable savings on material costs for multicolor jobs. Faster tool changes and multi-material capabilities directly reduce the production time for complex prints, boosting your overall productivity. This sophisticated system is more complex than standard printers, which might pose a steeper learning curve for beginners entering 3D printing. This independent 4-toolhead design provides a distinct advantage over single-nozzle filament switching systems, offering unique benefits for users. Looking at the cost, the Creator 5 justifies its investment through significant savings in material and improved productivity for specialized tasks. Understanding the potential challenges helps buyers make an informed decision about this new platform. Being a new product, initial firmware and slicer profiles might need further refinement, which is common with innovative hardware. The 4 independent toolheads add mechanical complexity, meaning more components that could potentially require calibration or maintenance over time. Printing different filaments still demands correct settings and proper ventilation to ensure successful outcomes in a safe operating environment. FlashForge is a reputable brand, but long-term support history for this specific, new Creator 5 model is naturally still quite limited. While FLASHFORGE is a known brand, this new platform introduces some uncertainties around firmware, mechanical complexity, and specific support history. The FLASHFORGE Creator 5 is a strong recommendation for anyone frequently undertaking multicolor or multi-material 3D printing. Its independent toolhead system offers significant advantages in speed and waste reduction, making it highly productive. However, as a newer platform, users should be prepared for potential refinements in software. It's an excellent choice for advanced makers and professional teams.